Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss how to design expressions using the random function in the reporting grid. So, let's get started. First, navigate to the reporting section and open the sales register detailed report. Go to Setup column attributes to proceed with adding the expression. Before proceeding, we need to make a small change in the configuration. Go to Other Settings and here, set the script editor to VBScript for better performance. By default, whenever you create a new configuration, the script window is set to VBScript. However, if it is not set by default, you can manually go to Other Settings and change it to VBScript. Refresh the report. Once you have saved the configuration, return to the Setup column attributes section and click on Add or Edit expression columns to proceed. Make sure to begin the script with the required keyword at the top, single quotes #L script. This should always be included at the beginning of the script. Simply click on the Add New Expression button indicated by the plus sign. Enter the expression name and select the type, either text or numeric, depending on the nature of the expression. Next, double-click on the newly created expression to insert it into the script editor. Start the expression with the random keyword, followed by an opening bracket, and then close the brackets. The random function is used to return the random integer between 0 and 100. Once the expression is defined, click Save. Then, scroll down, check the box to enable the column, and view the result of the defined function in the report. Once the report is refreshed, you will notice that the newly created expression displays random values. Each time the report is refreshed, the values are regenerated in a different random order.
Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.